Before you buy your first golf iron, there's something the product pages don't mention, and it's the reason most beginners give up. Everyone focuses on distance or shiny faces, but the real issue is forgiveness. If your iron punishes every slight mishit, you'll never build confidence. Let's fix that. Product number 1, Callaway Rogue ST Max. This Callaway Rogue ST Max iron caught my eye because it's built with game improvement tech usually reserved for mid-handicappers. At $146, it's not the cheapest, but it uses a low center of gravity and wide sole to help launch the ball higher, even on thin shots. The graphite shaft reduces vibration, which matters if you're still learning proper contact. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Beginners often hit behind the ball, and that wide sole glides through turf instead of digging in. Callaway's AI-designed face also helps maintain ball speed on off-center hits, so your mishits don't lose 30 yards. Now, some people complained about the lack of feel. Graphite can feel a bit muted compared to steel. Here's the thing though, as a beginner, you don't need precise feedback yet, you need consistency. This is perfect for you if you want a single iron that feels forgiving and helps you see real progress. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer the crisp feedback of steel shafts. For the price, it's a solid step up from basic sets. Product number 2, Callaway Paradym AI Smoke. Now, if the Rogue ST Max felt a bit too soft for your taste, the Paradym AI Smoke takes a different approach. Priced the same at $146, this one uses a forged alloy steel face for better energy transfer, meaning more distance when you do make clean contact. The 26-degree loft on the 5-iron is standard, but the real win is the dispersion control. Callaway says it's built for average to high swing speeds, but honestly, beginners with faster tempos will benefit most. Here's why this matters. Many new golfers swing too hard and lose accuracy. This iron's design helps straighten those wild shots. The chrome finish looks pro, but it's the internal weighting that does the work, pushing mass low and deep for stability. Some users mention the steel shaft feels harsh on mishits. Here's the thing, yes, it stings a bit, but that feedback actually helps you learn faster. This is perfect for you if you've been playing a few months and want to transition from super game improvement clubs. Skip this one if you're still chunking every other shot. You'll appreciate the forgiveness less and feel more pain. It's worth it if you're ready to level up. Product number 3, Mazel 7-Iron Black. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for true beginners. The Mazel 7-Iron at $54 is shockingly affordable, and it's designed like a training tool. The 37-inch length and 33-degree loft make it easier to control, and the upgraded ergonomic grip teaches proper hand placement, something most new golfers get wrong. The lower center of gravity helps get the ball airborne, which builds confidence fast. Here's why this matters. Beginners often top the ball or hit it fat. The beveled edge reduces turf drag, so even slightly low hits still go forward. The CNC milled face adds groove consistency, meaning better spin when you do strike it well. Now, some people complained about the stiff flex. It's not ideal if you have a slower swing speed. Here's the thing though, most adult beginners actually swing too hard anyway, so stiff can help prevent ballooning shots. This is perfect for you if you're just starting and want one reliable iron to practice with. Skip this one if you're taller than 62 or prefer a softer feel. For under $60, it's a steal. Product number 4, Mazel 7-Iron Red. Now, if the black Mazel felt right but you want a pop of color, this red version is identical in performance, just a different finish. Same $58 price, same 37-inch length, same stiff flex and 33-degree loft. The silver-red combo looks bold, and honestly, having a club that stands out can make practice more fun. All the tech is the same: lower CG, beveled sole, CNC face. Here's why this matters. Beginners often lose focus during practice. A club that feels and looks engaging keeps you coming back. The training grip still guides your hands into the right position, which is huge for building muscle memory. Some users said the color chips over time. Here's the thing, it's a $60 iron, not a collector's item. A little wear just proves you're using it. This is perfect for you if you want the same performance as the black version, but with more personality. Skip this one only if you prefer understated gear. It's just as good value-wise. Product number 5, LOHOM Individual Iron Set. Finally, if you want to build your set piece by piece, the LOHOM individual irons at $34 each are hard to ignore. You can buy just the 7-iron or go full set 5 through PW and SW. The zinc alloy head is durable and the deep grooves help with control, especially around the green. The steel shaft gives solid feedback and the aerodynamic head design reduces drag for slightly more distance. Here's why this matters. Beginners often buy full sets they outgrow in a year. Buying singles lets you upgrade gradually. The 1-year warranty is a nice touch at this price. Now, some people complained about inconsistent weighting between clubs. Here's the thing, at $34 you're not getting tour-level precision, but you are getting functional clubs that work. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget or want to customize your bag. Skip this one if you need maximum forgiveness or plan to play competitively soon. For the price, it's a smart starter move. So which one's best? If you want premium forgiveness, go Callaway Rogue. Need feedback to improve? Paradym AI Smoke. On a budget, Mazel 7-iron, love color, grab the red, building slowly, LOHOM singles. Remember, the best iron is the one that keeps you playing, not the one with the fanciest ads.